Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today we're going to talk about how much Uber Black drivers can make. Okay, this can also work for like Lyft Lux. So if you're driving regular UberX and you were thinking of maybe doing Uber Black, we're gonna go through how much money Uber Black drivers actually make and Uber Black explained. So let's just get started. Uber Black is Uber's premium like luxury ride option for passengers. So if you're a driver and you have a nice car, you might qualify for Uber Black, but it does cost more money, and they only have like the top rated Uber drivers driving for Uber Black. There are tons and tons of different types of cars that are eligible to drive Uber Black. So if you have one of these cars and you want to drive Uber, you should consider Uber Black. Remember, it does have to be 2017 or newer. So if you have one of these types of cars but it's 2016, then you would not be eligible. So yeah, a bunch of different types of Audis after 2017, BMWs, Bentleys, Cadillac. So anyways, you can check out the whole list of cars that are eligible on the Uber website, and then I think Lyft has the same thing for like their Lyft Lux option. The burning question, how much do Uber Black drivers make? We're gonna go through that right now. Uber Black pay depends on your location, the frequency of your work, the time you're working, and obviously if you work more you get paid more, but that's not really the point. So apparently Uber Black drivers can make around $32 to $35 per hour on average, and that's before tips, I think, but it really depends on your city. So you may be able to make more money doing Uber Black if you're somewhere like New York or like Manhattan, or even in like one of those bigger cities like Boston, Chicago. So it really depends on your city, but that's pretty good. An average of $32 to $35 an hour, that sounds good to me. Like, it seems like a pretty good payout. In order to be an Uber Black driver, you also have to maintain a minimum rating of 4.85 stars or above. So if you have below 4.85 stars, you're out of luck, okay? You gotta do better. Make sure you're actually like being a good driver. And I know some people will leave you bad ratings anyways, which you can't control. And it's also better if you have commercial insurance if you're gonna be like a driver like that. Oh yeah, okay, I forgot to mention, obviously it's called Uber Black, okay? Your car has to be black. The inside and the outside, it all has to be black. So that's something that I didn't mention before. And they also have to have leather interiors and needs to be clean, obviously, like no dirt or anything on your car. Also, you need to have driven for at least 3 years and not have any significant like moving infractions on your record. Okay, they want to make sure that these passengers that are paying so much more for their Uber Black are getting the like top-notch experience of like a really good driver, and they don't have to worry as much of like something bad happening. So yeah, you can go on the Uber website, or again like with Lyft Lux, go on the Lyft website and apply to be an Uber Black driver. Anyways guys, I hope that was helpful to you if you wanted to be an Uber Black driver, or if you were just curious about how much Uber Black drivers make. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.